It's here, it's accelerating, and Floridians will increasingly feel its impact. Those are among the stark reactions to and conclusions of the National Climate Assessment unveiled by scientists today at the White House. Sea level rise from 9 inches to perhaps as much as 2 feet could be in store for Florida by mid-century and beyond, say some local environmentalists, all because of melting polar ice caps. Saltwater intrusion from those swelling oceans increasingly will threaten our drinking water supplies and freshwater marine habitat. And scientists worry a planet heating because of carbon dioxide released by fossil fuel burning will have long-term impacts on food supplies in the U.S. and around the globe. Critics argue such reports, this one compiled by some 200-plus scientists, ignore our ability as humans to adapt to change. But scientists warn those changes, from the push for renewable energy to energy conservation, may come too late. Right now, we're looking closer at the potential impact here at home, and News Channel 5's Elizabeth Harrington live in Stewart with that part of our story. Elizabeth?
The report lays out evidence that what we're doing now impacts tomorrow. For example, the ocean is absorbing more carbon dioxide, and that's changing the water and hurting everything in it.
No, it's real.
Mark Perry with the Florida Oceanographic Society says the report shows climate change is happening. For South Florida, the biggest concern is the ocean. We're dealing with erosion, rising sea levels along the coast, and an increase in acidity, which has gone up 30% in the last 100 years. That will impact people who fish for a living.
Ocean acidification, what we'll start to see is the basic crabs and shrimp and lobster will not be able to make their shells.
Those small changes will add up. Perry says we'll start to see population changes, not immediately, but in future generations.
What we're going to start to see is that dramatic all the way up the food chain kind of thing, from the krill, the basic food source of whales and lots of things is not going to be as present as it was.
The study did find some positive things. America has reduced its emissions by about 6% in the last 10 years. Live in Stewart, Elizabeth Harrington, WPTV News Channel 5.